Okay, this is going to be another problem just like the example H problem where you end up at the number you started. And so it consists of three kind of stages. There's a pick the number and disguise it, a little bit of misdirection and setup, and then a finish. So, and you don't have to start with somebody's age. Start with something that varies more. Start with their height. Okay, and then we're going to use the disguise as going to be an add and distribute with a multiplication. So here we'll start out with the height. Okay, and let's say we're going to add 3. So we have h plus 3, whatever your height is. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 6. Okay, so that gives us 6 times h plus 3. And if you actually use your distributive property that you've been learning about, this gives us 6h plus 18. Now, here comes the sort of disguise part. You can, you're not going to divide by 6, you're going to try to get back there some other way. So the first thing that you're going to do is maybe subtract your height. So minus h, and so you have 6h minus h plus 18, and that simplifies to 5h plus 18. Now, you're going to eventually divide by 5 now, but 18 doesn't go into 5 very easily, so you need to set up for your finish. So you need to do something to 18 to make it divisible by 5. So here, instead of subtracting 3 like you did before, it might be better to do something like add 2. So you have 5h plus 20 because you've added 2 to the 18. Okay, and now you're set up for your return portion, and in this case you're going to divide everything by 5. So 5h plus 20 all divided by 5, which is 5h over 5, just sort of distribution, 20 over 5, and that simplifies to h plus 4, and the last thing you do is say, okay, now subtract 4, and you have h. Notice you're all the way back. You didn't take the same route that you did to start with, like add 3 and multiply by 6. You disguised that return.